The book is called A Damn Yankee Am I? Thanks. And it's subtitled Portraits of the Irish in the Era of the American Civil War. They said, we will prove that we can be good Americans and that all those signs saying no Irish need apply. And they were everywhere, those notes, in ads for newspapers, in magazines. The Irish were excoriated and they said dreadful things about them. And so they had to put up with things. They said, we'll show them by taking part in the Civil War and fighting for the Union that we are fit to be good Americans. And so the Irish took part in the Civil War, and I wanted the book to describe the circumstances that drove them out of an Ireland that was in a dreadful state of poverty, oppression, and what they found when they went to America and how they were received there. People said, what kind of people are they anyway? And then afterwards, how by taking part in the Civil War, the famous 69th New York Regiment, which is part of the Irish Brigade, and in the North and the South, by the way, they fought for their communities, and people began to have respect and regard for the Irish, which took a long time in coming, and eventually it is generally agreed that they became accepted. It's a big book, it's quite long, it tells the story of individual Irish people outside the era of the Civil War, during the Civil War, and afterwards. And I've tried to tell that story for Irish in America and Irish at home. So now it's available, and for that I'm very pleased, and I hope many people get a chance to read it. Go to Mahagat.